Okay, guys, good morning again. Today, inshallah, we'll do test practice, page 393 in your book. So prepare your books there. We'll do the exercises on this page as a revision on this chapter. Now, don't forget that you have a test on Sunday, inshallah. The study portion format will be chapter 6, lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the equations, and the last lesson about the inequality. So start studies, revise, and hope good luck all of you. Okay, let's start. Now we start, guys. If you have any questions, anything you need to understand, I'm here for you. I'll start with Abdul Rahman.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
Student understand question 5, 8, and 13.
Which page?
In page 393 and 394.
Yeah, we'll do question 1. Go.
Okay, multiple choice. Which of the following is a solution of the equation y plus 1 over 3 equal 3 and 2 over 3?
Y plus 1 over 3 equal 3 and
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Good. Now it's multiple choice. It's similar out for our exam questions, guys. So y plus 1 over 3 equal 3 and 2 over 3. What we will do, we'll solve the equation here. Then we will choose which answer of given choices down, A, B, C, or D, right? But what we will do here, how we will solve this equation?
We will write the equation another time.
Okay, this is y plus y equal 3 and 2 over 3.
We will Mr. Do I do the guess check or I do the normal way?
Read the question, Yabni. What's the question? The first one, the question. Which of the following is what? To solve the equation. Yes, and check, Mr. Wait. If the question gave you some numbers beside it, and they ask you which one of them is a solution, you will check each number. You know the idea, right?
Yes.
But here, no. You have the equation. You will solve it. Then you will choose your answer down. Got it?
Okay. We will
solve the equation. So what we will do here to find y. What's your name? When we guess and check, if we don't know how to solve, got it?
Yes.
If we don't know how to solve the equation, yeah, we guess a number, then check. But now we know how to solve.
Yes, we know.
So because we know how to solve the equation, so we will solve it. We are not guessing here. Go. What we will do?
We will subtract 1 over 3 from both sides.
Good. So I'll subtract 1 over 3, guys, from both sides. This is minus 1 over 3 here and minus 1 over 3 here. Line.
1 over 3 and 1, they are crossed.
1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, they are still what in this side? Y. And here we have 3 and 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3, right? It will be what? Here we have the same denominator, right? The 3 comes, and we can subtract the fractions part because it have the same minus 1, right?
Yes.
2 minus 1 is 1. And the 3, we took one of them, right?
Yes.
So what's the answer? Y equal, or you can turn this to fraction, do the steps, remember?
Yes.
Y equal 3 and 1 over 3. Which answer of Y is 3 and 1 over 3 in the lower choice?
And D.
Answer D, guys, is the letter. So what you will do now in your book or in your copy, you will solve to practice. Copy it, please.
Mister, can I solve the question number 2?
Wait, Abdurrahman, wait, حبيبي. You asked me about it.
No, I asked you about question 5 and
خليك لك
13.
question 5 انت عشان افهمك اياه صح؟
Okay.
Yeah. So question 1, guys, do it, please. Do the steps, guys. Again, do not just circle the final answer. I don't want that. Copy, solve, find your answer, then select the correct choice, please. Question 2, guys. Who can help me with the question 2? Question 2. Hisham, read ya Hisham.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla Hisham, question 2,
Open
read.
response. Sonia is using 3 and 1/2 inches tiles along the 28-inch ledge of her bathroom counter. Use the guess and check and revise strategy to solve the equation 3 and 1/2t equal 28 to find t, the number of tiles
Give me the
Tonya will
equation.
need.
Wait ya Hisham. Hisham, give me the equation, حبيبي. 3.
3 and 1/2
أيوة. T equal
28.
28. This is the equation, and the question, the equation, guys, is given the question. The question wants us to use the guess, check, and revise strategy. صح?
Yes.
The question wants us to guess, check, and revise a strategy to know the value of t which Tonya needs. صح?
Yes.
Now here we can guess check, and we can give numbers for t, multiply with this number until we get the 28, right?
Yeah.
Or we can solve the equation. ولا لا? Can we solve this equation, yeah, mister?
Yes, we can solve it.
How we solve it? This is multiply. What we'll do here?
We will divide. When we
Divide
have
both
multiply,
sides
we
on the
divide.
3.5. So in a place of guess, check, and revise, we can solve the equation to get the exact value of t. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, but because the question wants us to guess, check, and revise, let's guess, check, and revise. Give me value of t. Yani, imagine a value of t. Think about value of t. If you multiply it with a 3.5, you will get a 28. Think.
4. I mean 6.
6. Let's guess 6, me and you. Do not try it, guys. Guys, do not try it. We are guessing. Let's guess first. Then we check if it's in the value t, we will copy it. If not, we will erase it. So don't try it for now, okay? So Hisham guessed 6, right?
Yes.
Now, look here, Hisham. This is a 3.5, right?
Yes, we will turn it to
Now,
fraction.
خلي الhalf, forget the half a little bit, okay?
Okay.
I'm thinking with you only. Now, a 3t means a 3 multiply t, right?
Yes.
Now, a 3 multiply 6, how much? Ignore the half. 3 multiply 6, how much?
18.
18. It is far away from
28.
right? So let's make it bigger. We are guessing. We are what?
Guessing.
Guessing. Yalla. Let's make the 6 bigger, because if I ignore the half, which is a small part comparing with the 3, 3 multiply 6 to 18, it's far away from the 28, right?
Yes, let's guess 9.
9. طب 3 multiply 9,
27.
27. It's so close to 28, right? Let's
Yes.
calculate here. 3.5 multiply 9, right?
Yes.
يلا على السريع يا ابني. Turn this to fraction then multiply مش هيك؟
Yes, 2 multiply 3 equals 5. 6 over 2 multiply 9 over 1.
ركز. 2 multiply 3 how much?
2 multiply 3 6.
Not 5. Plus 1.
7. 7 over 2 multiply 9 over 1.
Multiply by 9 over 1. Now 7 by 9 is 63, right? Divided by 2.
63 over 2.
Exactly. 63 divided by 2 is 3, 2, 6, subtract 0, 3, 1. It's what? Look here. It is what?
31.
And I want what?
31.
And I want
28.
28, which is bigger. So the 9 is a big choice, right?
Yes, let's check 8.
Let's check 8 together. The 9 gives us bigger number than 28. So I'll go smaller a little bit. Let's guess 8. So this is the guessing. Let's check the 8 now. How we check the 8? Replace the t by what?
By 8.
By 8. So it will be 3.5 multiply 8 equal, as we term it here, it is 7 over 2.
7 over 2 multiply 8.
Multiply 8. This is over 1. It will be 56 over 2, which is exactly
28.
28. So t equals 8. This is the right or the correct guessing. Got it?
Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Now, if we solve this equation at the start of our solution, we said because we have multiply, we can solve the equation by dividing both sides on a 3.5, مش هيك?
Yes.
If you divide 28 on a 3.5, the answer exactly will be what? 8. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good. Now, guys, if the question asked you to guess check, you will guess check. But if the question write this word, it's important. Solve the equation. No, we will solve the equation normally as we did. So please don't be confused about this.
Okay.
Do you understand, Hisham? Hope that. Question 3, guys, this is question 2. Copy it in your book or in your copybook. If you don't want to copy in your book, it's up to you. Question 3. Question 3. No. Who can help me with the question 3? طيب. عبد الحميد, read عبد الحميد.
Okay.
Yeah.
Question 3. Multi-select together. Rhonda and Margot.
What? Wait. The first word together, right?
Yeah, together means plus. Add.
We will add, right? Remember the idea? Together means together, all together. We will add.
Yeah. Rhonda and Margot saved $478.50. If Rhonda saved 225 of that total, how much did Margot save? Select the addition equation that could be used to find how much Margot saved. Select all that apply.
Good. Now together, these two girls saved together. They are saved how much money?
Saved 478.50.
478 point what?
50.
50. Together. Now we know one of them. We know
Rhonda. Rhonda
225.
Rhonda, 225. And the other girl, I will call it M, right?
Marco. Yeah.
And together, what we will write here?
Plus.
Plus. So Margot plus Rhonda, together, they saved 478.50. This is our equation, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is one of them, and we can put the 200, yani I can say,
Yeah, we
Margot
can,
and Rhonda,
because it's complicated.
I can say
You can.
Margot plus Rhonda or Rhonda plus Margot. In the addition, it's commutative, remember? 2
Yeah,
plus 3, 3 plus 2. So we can write it like this, and we can write it like this also.
Correct.
These are the two choices. And this answer here always will be after equal because it's the total money, right?
Right.
So what are the, here we have how many choices down here?
4.
We have 5 choices, right?
Yeah, there's 2 correct and 2 wrong. 3 wrong. It's
What are the 2 correct choices down?
2 correct. It's the second one.
The second one. The second one and
the fourth.
The fourth one. The second and the fourth, guys. But like check like this in the second and the fourth. The second, we have 2 correct choices here. The second and the fourth one. Here. Put like this to check on the second equation and the third equation. This one is the second equation. This one is the fourth equation. Both are correct, guys, for this answer. Good, Abdul Hamid. Thank you.
Welcome.
Now let's do question 4 up. Question 4, guys. Who can help me with the question 4 here? Want to new students, guys? What you are doing? Are you sleeping there? New students, where are you? Yalla ya Jad. Question 4.
Solve 625 equal to 219 plus x.
625 equal 219 plus what?
X.
Now the question said what? Solve. The question does not say, didn't say check, guess, whatever. The question wants us to solve this equation. Sah ya Jad?
Yes.
Yeah, question 4. How we will solve this equation, ya Jad?
Rewrite the equation another time.
This one, 625 equals 219 plus x. Then
Subtract the coefficient from both sides.
not the coefficient. This 219, it's
The
not the
connected
coefficient.
number.
We call it the connected number with x. So I will subtract both sides. How much?
290.
Exactly. 219 minus 219
Gone.
are gone. Still x here and equal. And here let's subtract. What's the answer of this
406.
subtraction?
406.
Excellent boy. 406. So x equal 406. This is the answer of this question. Sorry. Thank you, Jad. Excellent boy. Thank you. This is question 4, guys. Do it, please. Now this is part A. Look here, guys. We have 2 parts in this question. This one, part A, up. Down in part B, they said what? Down this one, they said Hilal. What they said?
Yes, Mister.
Huh.
What is the question?
Question 4, ya Hilal. We did. ركز يا Hilal. Question 4. We did part A.
Yes.
Now we will do part B. What they wrote in part B here? What they want?
Check the solution.
Good. So we have the solution here, and we want to check the solution. How?
Please check the answers there.
Hilal.
We will press 406 from X.
Mumtaz. We will replace X, guys, by the answer. So 219, 406.
The mayor did his best to solve the
Let's add them. 219 plus 406. Let's add normally. This is 15 to 6, which is 625. The answer here equals 625. So the answer of Jad is correct.
Did not win the game.
Thank you, Hilal. Correct one. Guys, this is question 4, part A. Down part B, how we check our answer, okay? Let's go to question 5 together. Question 5. With Abdul Rahman. Because he asked me about it. Yalla. Do you understand, Yabni, these 4 questions?
Yes.
Yalla, let's go to question 5 together. Read.
Open response. A one-topping pizza cost to $12.99. This is 6.50 less than the cost of the specialty
This is the
pizza.
total cost. لحظة شوي. The total cost of the pizza, right,
Yes.
is how much?
$12.99.
$12.99, right? This is the total cost.
Yes.
They said this for what?
Minus.
ركز حبيبي. This for minus. عبد الرحمن ركز. This معناها minus.
No.
مش معقول هيك. ركز حبيبي ركز. Now they said the cost of the pizza is 12.99, right?
Yes.
Then beside it they said this is the difference, blah blah blah, right?
Yes.
This for what?
This for 6.50 less than cost of a specialty pizza.
لا انت غلط. Look here يا ابني. Read the question again. A one pizza
Cost $12.99. This
is for what?
for $12.99.
Exactly. The word or the pronoun, I don't know if we call it pronoun here. This is for the total cost. Got it?
Yes.
So the total cost is, continue now.
It's 6.50 less than the cost of specialty pizza.
So we have 2 kinds of pizza. One topping pizza and the specialty pizza, right?
Yes.
So the 12.99 is 6.50 less than the cost of the special pizza. Got it?
Yes.
Continue now, right?
Write a subtraction equation that could be used to find the cost C of the specialty pizza.
So they told us, let's see be the cost of the specialty pizza, right?
Yes.
So this is the 12.99 is the what? Tell me, can you tell me here what I will write?
We will write C equal minus 6.50.
Exactly. And when we say less than, guys, if you remember, it's subtraction, but we do the opposite. A less than B means B minus A, right? We did that before. So they said it is 6.50 less than the cost of the specialty or the specialty pizza, right? So it will be C minus 6 point what? 50. Yes, they want the equation. They don't ask us to find the value of C. They want what?
They want the code.
Yes, only. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good boy.
Mister, when we come to question 8, can you explain it to me?
I will.
Okay.
Question 6, guys. Yusuf, read.
Solve 1785 equal x minus 414 for x.
Again, below the equation.
1785 equal x minus 414.
414.
Yeah.
Yalla, how we solve this equation here?
Write the equation again.
1785 equal x minus 414. Then
1 minute. Then add was 414 in both sides.
add 414 in both sides. Gone.
Yeah.
XB will be, sorry. Add يبني 9, 9, 1, 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
So X equal 2199. Got it?
Yeah.
Good boy. This is question 6, guys. Let's do question 7 next page. Question 7 on next page. Guys, if you don't have time to write, understand, watch the video again, then you can copy the answers as you want. This is question 6. Let's do question 7 together. Muhammad.
Yeah, Mister.
Yalla Muhammad. Question 7, read.
Read.
Do you understand the questions, ya Muhammad?
Yes, I understand them
Yeah.
all.
Good boy. Question 7, read.
Uh,
Huh?
wait 1 second. Wait 1 second.
ايوه. طيب. عمر علاء.
Yes, Mr. Reed.
Read يا ابني question 7.
Okay. Solve 3 over 8D equal 5 over 24 for D.
Solve 3 over 8D equal 5 over 24, right?
Yes.
3 over 8D equal 5 over what?
24.
يلا, how we solve this equation, يا عمر?
We will divide 5 over 24 by both sides.
We will divide 5 over 24 in both sides, right?
No, 3 over 8.
ركز يا ابني. What we will do, يلا again شوي شوي واحكي لي. What we will do?
The first thing we will write the equation another time.
Good. I will write the equation again. ماشي. وبعدين
Then we will divide 3 over 8 in both sides.
we will divide by the word by, it's important. We will divide by 3 over 8 in both sides. Got it?
Yes.
Divide on 3 over 8 here. divide on 3/8 here, right?
Yes, 3/8 gun
Fractions will be gone. Still what here?
D.
And what we will do with these two fractions here?
We will put 5/24 divide 3/8.
We do normal division, Sheikh.
No,
Hmm.
then we will put multiply and we make reciprocal for 3/8.
ممتاز. It will be 8/3, صح?
Yes,
Yeah, let's divide. 5 by 8, it
40.
is 40. 40.
40.
24 by 3, it is 72. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's simplify the answer. Remember the simplest form?
Yes.
Now, if you divide 2 in both sides, it will be 20/36, right?
Yes.
Divide another 2 up and down, it will be 10/18, right?
Yes. Divide another time, it will be
Divide another 2, it will
9
be
over
5.
5/9.
So can we do more? No, this is the final answer. So D equal what?
D equal D, number B.
5/9, Sheikh.
Yes, which is the number B.
It is multiple choice. Yes,
D.
it is multiple choice, number D. It is part D. Now, look here, guys. The question or the answer of the question, we have the first answer is 40/72, right? Now, if you see the answers, you won't find the 40/72. But because we simplify the question, the answer, simplify it to the simplest form, now this is the final answer, which is the correct one. Now, this answer is correct, but it's not in the choices. That's why I told you before, the simplest form, it's very important. Sometimes you get the correct answer. If you didn't simplify it, you lose mark here, okay? So the final answer is 5/9, the simplest form of the answer, 40/72. This is question 7 for all it is steps. Let's go to question 8. Question 8, quickly, guys. I need to go to Abdurrahman because he asked about it. So read Abdurrahman, but quickly because I have only 2 minutes. I'm sorry.
Table item. The natural information for 2 different bottles of orange juice is shown. Kelly wants to compare the calories in a single serving for each brand.
Yeah.
This is the question.
The nutrition information for 2 different bottles of orange juice is shown. Kelly wants to compare the calories in a single set. It is, you know, it's only by your eyes you can solve it. There's no steps here. You just need to compare between the calories in the 2 brands. Do you understand it?
No.
It's like information, no more. Okay?
Okay.
So it's not related to our equations here. You can make equation for sure, but if you take a look to brand A, brand B, it's only a table you need to get information from it, okay?
Okay.
Now, the rest of the questions, guys, here. Now, look down here. Abdurrahman, are you with me?
Yes.
Look down on part A and part B, see?
Yes.
Now, in part A, find the number of calories per serving each brand. In 50, we have a brand A. In 110, we have a brand B. In 85, we have brand C, right?
Yes.
Now, look down here. Which brand has more calories per serving? So this is the question. Up is the information. Down is the question. Got it?
Yes.
Yabni, this is the question. Information for the question. Down is the answer or the question you need to answer. Got it?
Yes.
So at B, they said which brand has more calories per serving, right?
Yes.
Now, which brand has more calories? It's
Brand B.
Brand B has more calories. By how much? You subtract them to find the how much, right? When I
Yes.
say, look here, when I say, for example, 100 more than what? For example, 60, right?
Yes.
More than by how much? We subtract. 100 minus 60 is how much?
40.
So we say 100 is more than 60 by
40.
40. Get the idea?
Yes.
Good. This is question 7, guys. Now the rest of the questions here, question 10, 11, 10 and 11. I care
We have
about 10
9.
and 11. Try to finish them. And 9 down here. This is division equation, guys. Solve it. Question 10, the answer is A. So try to read it and solve it. Question 11, we need to graph. Remember the graphing? Question
Yes.
12, I don't want it from you, okay? So do questions 9, 10, and 11 in your home as a practice for you. That's all for today. Thank you so much. I need to close now. I'm running out of time. Thank you. But don't forget.